Hi, and thanks for checking out this video on Adobe InDesign CC, which I've been using since it first came out a long time ago. I'm a qualified teacher, I'm an Adobe ACI, I've got 5 books in print, I've got the ACE qualification in these 3 programs, and this is my own company, tunnelvisionltd.co.uk. If you go to that website, you'll find links to the full course on Udemy and Skillshare, and lots of other stuff, and I hope you like it. And if you do, please sign up. In this video, I'm going to have a look at master pages, and I've already had a look at automatic page numbering. I'm going to cover that briefly again here. So I'm going to go to the Pages window first of all. I've already created 16-page document, and now I'm going to go to the A master page here by double-clicking on that. You can either click on the words or the icons, doesn't matter. And these are the A master pages. Now first I'll put automatic page numbering icons on them. So I'm going to create a small text frame here, and I've already created a paragraph style called, would you believe, page numbers, and in that paragraph style, which I'm just going to open, I'm going to go to indents and spacing, and you can see that I've chosen as the alignment away from spine. Now these two, towards spine and away from spine, kind of weird. Maybe they're for avant-garde poetry. No, they're for page numbering icons. So this means that on each page, the left-hand page, the number will be aligned to the left, and on the right, it'll be aligned to the right. So to put the icon in, I go Type, Insert Special Character, Markers, Current Page Number, and there it is. Now I'm going to select that and copy it and just paste it. And when you paste, the pasted object just lands in the middle of the screen. Not the middle of the page, the middle of the screen. Now I'm going to pull that over here, and you'll see that letter A will immediately move to the right, like so. And I'll park that down here, and I'll just put this one down here. And that's it for page numbering. Okay, so I'm going to choose the rectangle tool, so I'm going to draw a shape on the left-hand page. Now you see that immediately, because I was working in it, this page numbering frame is selected. So Command-Shift-A, Control-Shift-A, deselect all. Now I can go ahead and create a rectangle filled with a color. And what I suggest to people is you choose the tool, you set up the colors, then you draw the shape. Because the stroke, the default setting, is half of it is inside the object boundaries and half of it is outside. So if later on you suddenly realize, oops, that shape's got a stroke and it's not supposed to, when you take it off, the size of the visible object changes. So I'm going to draw a vertical rectangle on the left-hand page and a horizontal rectangle on the right-hand page. And now if I click on the Pages window, you can see every single one of these pages has the appropriate icon showing on it. They've been put there by the master pages. If I go to one of these pages, say page 4, I cannot select this object. It won't let me. Master page elements as a default are locked. However, if I hold down Command or Control and Shift and click on it, now it's unlocked. I can change its size, I can move it, I could change the fill color. But if I decided I wanted to reapply Master Page A, and you see all these pages have an A in the top corner, I want to reapply Master Page A to this page, that object is going to return to its default shape. So I can either drag the words or I can drag the page icons. If I want to drag the right-hand page icon, I can, but it won't make any difference because this is a left-hand page, and you can only put a left-hand master on a left-hand document page like that. So then the magenta rectangle disappeared completely. In fact, it's reverted to this, the green master page element. So that's what master pages do. You put stuff on the master pages, and they in turn format all the document pages to which that master page is applied. Now if I decided I want to create a new master, so I'm just going to drag this down a bit and go to the Options button and say New Master, and there's nothing there I need to change. It's going to be the B master, so A, B, C, D, and so on. 2 pages, A4, fine, okay. And there it is. And there it is on the screen as well. Now, instead of drawing a green shape, I'm going to produce a red shape on the left-hand page and another red shape on the right-hand page. And then I'm going to go back to the Pages window. Now let's say I want to apply the B master to page 7. So I'll drag, now this time I'm going to drag the words down onto page 7, right on the middle of it, drop it, and you can see instantly that the B master page has picked up this object and put it on page 7 in the document. I didn't get the page numbering icon with it, and this can be a problem. So I'm going to go back to page A, master page A, and I'll select this frame on the left-hand page and then shift-click on that frame on the right-hand page, Command or Control C to copy. Now I'll go to the B master page, and the shortcut for paste in place is Command-Shift-Alt-V, or you can just go Edit Paste in Place. And those two frames have landed in exactly the same place here on the B master as they were on the A master. And that means that now, on page 7, I've got a continuation of the numbering system. And that's essentially how master pages work. I've never had InDesign say, oh, you've got too many, you can't have any more. And I've had over 40 master pages in a single document, which is kind of pushing it. So as far as I'm concerned, you can have as many as you want, and they're pretty useful. So thanks again for stopping by, and I hope that video was really helpful to you. And please do check out my website, www.tunnelvisionltd.co.uk, and let me know what you thought. Bye for now.